I got the opportunity to meet with Oliver again to check out his new prototype battery, which is much smaller than the current models. There would be two versions, a 25-mile version and a 40-mile version, and both weigh about 1.5 kilos. Another great feature is that the mount is much smoother, and because it's so light as well, you can remove it with one hand. Just to be clear, that mount is the current model. It's just the battery that's new. The motor is the same, all the wiring is the same as the current model. They also got rid of the LCD screen, and in place they got the battery meter and the PAS level, which is the pedal assist level. Side note, in my opinion, I think the up and down buttons should be next to the PAS level indicator rather than the battery meter. Another cool function is that it turns off on its own if it's not used after 5 minutes. The folding experience with the new battery feels like the original. You could see that he swung the front wheel quite easily, and so was picking up the bike. Next, Oliver is going to explain the design of the prototype.
So for now, this is just a prototype.
Oh, the controller, yeah. I see.
Yeah. He puts it on the side now.
Yeah.
The battery on the right.
Yeah. So obviously after, this is only a prototype, so after we crowdfund, this will be inside like an IP50, IP60 casing, and the controller will be melded into the same casing. So it's all heat sunk. We've already 3D printed and designed it, but we'll tool it after we.
So like testing our prototyping. Yeah.
And the battery is just 20 cells, but if we use 3,500 milliamp hour, we can get 7 amp hours.
The performance of this kit felt the same as my current kit, and it should be because it's the same apart from a smaller battery pack. And this is a great thing. Having a smaller battery pack improves handling. I hope you enjoyed this preview. If you like these videos, just like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.